for promiscuous. My style is ridiculous. See us in the club, and we like to feel nice. See us on the floor, and we want.
Say welcome to Bangkok.
Welcome to Bangkok Bangkok.
Bangkok is a beautiful area in Ninh Binh, Vietnam, known for its stunning natural scenery and a unique boat rides. 我们的地方叫什么名字？
Bangkok.
Tam
Bangkok.
Bangkok. Bangkok. Okay, welcome to Bangkok. Anyways, so we are in Bangkok and right now we are about to get on a really cute little boat. We 5 of us, so we needed to take 2 boats and we paid 700,000 for 2 boats. Well, I won't call her ferry, it's a really little boat. Let's go! This is Miss Candy.
Hello.
This is Adam, handsome Schweiger. And this is Miss Mila.
Hello.
And I am Sofya and I want to invite... It's very big chaos. Everybody coming from Hanoi for a day trip, so it's crazy. The chaos here is ginormous. Everybody's screaming, everybody's yelling. If they know what they're doing, it's perfect. Okay, let's go. So we are going to explore Bangkok.
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 Bangkok Bangkok. Bangkok Bangkok. Welcome.
The most interesting part of this trip is to watch the local people row their own boat with legs. According to the local people, this unique way helps to reduce the pressure on back and arms. The boat ride is also known as the Halong Bay on land. So Candy is my friend. I know her for 10 years. Bangkok was recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2014 for its stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. And this is like a cute place for bungalow that you can stay here on the river. Bangkok is known for its wonderful views with surrounding limestone mountains, the 2 banks of the river full of rice fields. The halfway of the boat trip, you will have the opportunity to admire peaks of Ma caves from different points of view. The 3 caves are Ka, Hai, Ba caves. The caves are formed by Nang Dong River that runs through the mountains.
We're on a boat tour, singing tour, and we're not there's a mountain rock in front of us, but we're gonna turn and go that way. We need to stay on the river because we're on the boat.
Ninh Binh, located about 7 kilometers from Bangkok center, an ancient city in northern Vietnam, offers unique blend of cultural heritage and natural beauty, a charming blend of pagodas, music, and evening walk. So whether you're interested in history, nature, or local culture, Ninh Binh has something to offer as you walk around and explore this old city. Candy is taking us to eat in a secret restaurant.
One of the unique dining experiences that you can do in Ninh Binh when it comes to dining in Vietnam, it's all about communal eating and enjoying the flavors of freshly cooked food. Imagine ordering your favorite cuts of meat, seafood, vegetables, and more from the menu. Then you'll be seated at the table with a built-in charcoal grill, complete with a vent and a rack for easy grilling. The staff will provide you with all the necessary tools, including tongs, spatulas, and a selection of marinades and sauces to enhance your flavors. As you savor the aroma of sizzling foods, you can enjoy the excitement of grilling to your desired level. Charcoal provides that irresistible smoky flavor, creating a mouth-watering dining experience like no other. It's tons of fun, and we highly recommend you check it out. It was one of the best meals we had on our trip. P.S. Bring Vietnamese people with you or a Vietnamese friend so they can help you order and cook all of this delicious food. It's a fun and interactive dining experience that allows you to cook your meal just the way you like it.
This part is my favorite part about many of Asian's food, that you just take the lettuce, put meat inside, sauce, anything you like, and make your own cute, healthy sandwich. We paid 450 Vietnamese dong, that is equal to $19. Candy, make it for us dinner. Candy? 你做给我们饭是不是? Leo, you like it? Caro, she's grilling for us. Look how cute is it. Little tables, you sit on these pillows. Like you can see in this video, my friend Candy, she's Vietnamese and she knows exactly what she's doing. This is kimchi and it tastes amazing. Mila, you like it? This is the best meal you had so far in Hanoi?
In Ninh Binh, yes.
This is awesome. So you take a little lettuce, you put some really, really cool green sauce, spicy, and then you put your favorite meats that you don't know what are they. After Candy is making it for us, she doesn't eat, she's just feeding us. She's tired. Label. Thank you for watching the second episode from Ninh Binh. Next week, it's the last episode of our Ninh Binh 3 days experience, and this time we are in Tran An. Hello! So right now we are on the way. Where are we going? Xin chào! I'm Sofya and welcome back to my channel. And today we have a special adventure planned. I'm joined by my travel buddy Candy. Join us as we uncover the secrets of Tom Yam, a place that not many foreigners know about, but it's truly a hidden treasure of Vietnam.